And I just gotta take care of myself. So first things first, I'm gonna go get my bikini wax, lip wax, I don't know what else, but whatever the case may be, let's start it. Let's go. Hey guys, today's still my birthday. Today is my birthday. I still gotta finish up my hair, but yeah, it's a snowstorm today, literally. And my mom was telling me how I was born on a snowstorm, so like I was saying, I was careful. Now I'm like back to doing my hair. I'm getting my hair done. We didn't finish last night. We was watching TV and stuff like that, eating pizzas, you know. But today we're gonna finish it. And today's my birthday. I was saying that I was born in a heavy like winter storm. My goddaughter was born in a winter storm too. So crazy. And y'all, like, and one thing about me, I do not like driving in the snow. So it's like, for me, it's like the irony with me. Like, I love seafood. I'm allergic to seafood. Like, it's just, like, I'm like a walking contradiction at times. And it's crazy. Because, like, I'm also, like, I'm an extrovert, but also I'm an introvert. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But, yeah. Oh, I didn't even show you guys my nails. Yes, I got my nails done. Yeah, it came out so cute. So, yeah, let me go finish up my hair. I don't think so. Good. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No. I don't think so. No. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I've been real short with y'all, so I'm sorry. Right now I'm at Noodles and Company. My boo, he's getting Noodles and Company. I'm getting Chipotle with the new honey sweet spicy chicken. Hopefully it's still there. We're in Maple Grove right now, just getting some food, and then tomorrow we're gonna be going roller skating. So I celebrated my birthday on Sunday, and pretty much what I did was get my hair done. One of my close friends, his sister, did my hair, and we were pretty much just chilling, drinking, watching shows while she was doing my hair. It took like 2 days, and then it ended up being a snowstorm once she got done with my hair, so I had to wait till the next day, and it was just crazy. So for today, we're just getting some food, and then I'm gonna go roller skating tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, and I have some stuff like from H&M that I want to return, so that's what I'm gonna do after that. So pretty much, y'all, like, this vlog has been a collection of me just getting myself together, just self-care, doing my hair, doing my nails, getting a wax. I didn't show that part, but that's what I was doing out of Veda earlier in the vlog. And yeah, I got a wax and everything, and I took my dog grooming. Yeah, I know y'all pretty much seen it, but I haven't really been talking to y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been on. And yeah, so have a great day wherever you are. Okay, baby, let's go. Hey, you guys, I got some ice cream from Sam's Club. I didn't get the pizza. I didn't get pizza because I already ate Chipotle, and I was like, nah, I don't want pizza right now, but my boo did get pizza. I got the hot dog combo. Just something light, but I'm really happy for it. Because of the ice cream. I would recommend anybody who's like, you know, trying to budget this year, save money, have bulk, is to get a Sam's Club card. You know, I'm just now starting it, but I feel like let's go get some hair gel. Okay, y'all, so pretty much I am back home, and I wanted to do a haul with you guys. So pretty much for my birthday, I really just wanted to get my hair done, get my nails done, just feel myself. Earlier this month I got a wax, and just like really take care of me, myself and I, for real. And then today I'm going roller skating. So yeah, I got a haul, so let's get into it. So I went shopping as well, so I want to show you guys everything that I got. And yeah, I want to show you guys this purse that I got. It's a Steve Madden purse. I really think it's really cute, chic. It's pretty big. You know, has a little chain accessory in the back. I wish that I could unclip it, but honestly it won't really matter. It's still a cute accessory to have. Oh, I can unclip this rope and just wear this as a rope, you know. So I got a purse, which is really, really cute. Nice. And then in the inside has like nice pockets and stuff like that. So, you know, it's not bad, and I love a good deal. So when I seen it, I was like, sure, let me get myself a nice little purse, because I've been wearing the same purses and I'm really an accessory person. So I was like, I got some Steve Madden shoes. I just really like the color wave and how it like has the tan, the black, and these are like literally the like my color palette. Like I like having that in my closet, like for my foundation colors. Like I like having black, white, neutral. So this would have gone perfect with most of my outfits, but the size is too small. So I'm thinking I'm gonna return it and probably get a size up, or just get a different shoe, because honestly it is what it is. I wasn't really even planning for it. I really just went to like TJ Maxx and I was like, oh, okay, well, you know, I kind of wanted to get myself a little purse, some shoes and stuff like that. So this is really cute. I got some scents. This one is called Tahari Parfums Chiffon Fresh. I wanted to get myself some fragrances, not just like body mist that lasts like for 2 seconds. I want to look into more fragrances this year, you know, and start splurging on that. But this scent, I kid you not, smells like Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, but like a lighter scent, like I don't know, it smells like it, literally. So this I would recommend. It smells good, and it smells like the light blue Dolce & Gabbana. So yeah, it's definitely giving spring. It is giving springtime. It's giving fresh. Like it's giving like, I want to get to the point where it's just like, what do you have on? You feel me? Like, then I can't open my mouth to talk about it. But it's like when I walk out and I can't, you know, smell my scent, I don't expect other people to smell either. So it's not a good product. You know what I'm saying? Essentially, that's what we're getting to. Good products that last. And it's not about the quantity. It's not about how much I have. It's about more quality. So, I got this other scent that's kind of like the other one, fresh scent. It's by Catherine Malangerino. It's Butte de Valivi Transcendent, y'all. So I didn't even know it said Transcendent. But if you know, Tiva stands for Transcending Illuminating Vibes around the illuminating vibes into the atmosphere, y'all. So transcending. Transcend. And yeah, I'm gonna go get that. Like, whatever. Yeah, another fresh smell. They're both really fresh. I think I would use this one more on a daily basis, just because it's not as potent as this one. I would use this one on, like, you know, special occasions, date nights and stuff like that. This one would be on, like, you know, my daily basis, going to work, you know. It's literally hitting my nose. It smells really good. So yeah, I would recommend you guys get some fragrances. This especially smells like Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, like I said. And then this one, Transcendent, smells like, it's a fresh scent. It smells citrus as well. So it's like a fresh citrus smell. Also like slightly floral, but not like, it comes like certain notes are floral. That's why I was looking like for the notes, ingredient notes, but it don't really say. Yeah, it doesn't really say, but it smells really good. Springtime. Claw clips. It came 3 in a pack for $5.99. Literally, like, I got my braids. I, you know, need something like this. Then I got my hyaluronic acid ageless serum, and I've been using this stuff for years. Every time I go to TJ Maxx and find this, now they have like a whole line. I'm like, ugh. I was gonna like, they got a revitalized one. I've only just used this one and I ran out, so I've been using like my olive oil. I tried the bio oil and stuff like that, but I feel like I'm ready to get back. I'm ready to get back. It's almost summertime, so yeah. Hyaluronic acid, and this is by like Skin Assistant Ageless Serum, and we're gonna do a morning routine, y'all. So no, not a morning routine, we'll do a night routine, because I'm gonna end the vlog with y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's been a good month, a good productive month, and pretty much scrambled everything into this one to show like maintenance takes like, it's not like a week thing, it's like a gradual thing. It's consistency, you know, and stuff like that. So I wanted you guys to be around the process through my growth and everything like that. So, oh, we're still doing the haul. That was a little into the pieces. So before my birthday, I had already went shopping and stuff like that to get some pieces from H&M. I went to the mall. What? I went to the mall. I don't know. I showed y'all Auntie Annie's, but I don't know. I don't know what I was doing for real. But I wanted to get some pieces. I got this top from H&M. They're selling like this, like I don't know anything about like really Skims, because I don't have a Skims, but I know this material is really in, this buttery material, athleisure, and I love the blue. I'm thinking about wearing with some like denim. Like I even have some denim right now. You can kind of see like how it goes, you know, just having like a little under top situation going on. And then I also got this white top that says Ultimate Futuristic Movement Performance 1 to 200. I don't know why I had to read the whole thing out, but it looks really nice. But the thing about this material is ribbed, and I don't like ribbed because it's like, as soon as you put it on, it scratches out. It doesn't form back. Like, that's why I'm returning it. It doesn't go back to its natural state. Like how this material, you wash it, you wear it, you know, it goes back, you know. That's why it goes back to quality, you know, and stuff like that. Because then it makes me feel like I can wear multiple wears. You know, I'm not trying to have too many clothes in my closet. I'm trying to have consistent quality pieces, you know. And like shop intentionally for like things that I actually need, you know, not just like have things in my closet and then be like, I don't have nothing to wear. I always got something to wear now, because I always have everything planned out, even if it's the same outfit. Like, there's too many people in this world to like think about outfit repeating. Like, it don't matter. It really don't. So I got these jeans from H&M. They're really nice, really stretchy. I just needed to go a size up on it. So some black bootcut jeans. You know, I'm trying to get some black bootcut jeans because I have so many like light wash denim jeans. So I need something black. I'm trying to get a light wash tight skinny boot cut because I just have like boyfriend jeans, like baggy jeans. You know, I'm trying to get something a little bit more tighter but not skinny jeans. And then I just got this like acid wash, you know, baby tea, but the same thing. It's that material that expands and not go back to its natural state. So it's gonna be returned. So yeah, that was our little haul. Pretty much I'm gonna let you guys go here, you know, like just tap in with me and stuff like that. And yeah, we're just gonna tap into my next video, y'all. I'll see y'all. Peace, love, respect. Until next time, loves. Wow, that one I can sing on. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. it's like something you don't want to do. Oh, I don't.
Adventuring down.
Yeah, because you wanted something adventurous,
I wanted to
right?
try something different, you know, but we don't.
Babe, are you tapping my foot?